In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off and customize autocorrect in Outlook. If Outlook keeps changing your words automatically while you type, autocorrect is usually the reason. This feature can be helpful for fixing common spelling mistakes, but it can also become frustrating when it replaces text you actually wanted to keep. The good news is that Outlook gives you control over this, and you can either turn the feature off completely or adjust the list so it works better for your needs. To get started, open Outlook and go to the File menu. From there, choose Options. This opens the main settings area where you can control how Outlook behaves. On the left side of the Options window, select Mail. This section contains settings related to composing and sending messages. Next, look for the button labeled Editor Options and click it. This opens another settings window for writing tools. In that window, select Proofing from the menu on the left. Proofing settings controls spelling, grammar, and automatic corrections while you type. Once you're there, click AutoCorrect Options. Now you'll see the settings that manage automatic text replacements. If your goal is to stop Outlook from changing your words as you type, find the option called Replace Text as you type and uncheck it. After that, click OK to confirm the change, and then click OK again to close the remaining settings windows. From this point on, Outlook will no longer automatically replace text while you're writing emails. If you don't want to turn autocorrect off entirely, you can customize it instead. In the same autocorrect window, you'll see a list of words and shortcuts that Outlook replaces automatically. You can review that list and remove entries you don't want. This is useful if only certain replacements are causing problems. Editing the list allows you to keep the helpful corrections while getting rid of the ones that interrupt your workflow. A good tip here is to make changes carefully and test them afterward by opening a new email and typing a few examples. That way, you can confirm Outlook now behaves the way you want. Small adjustments in the autocorrect list can make a big difference, especially if you use specific terms, abbreviations, or formatting regularly. That's all it takes to turn off or customize autocorrect in Outlook, helping you type with fewer interruptions and more control.